It's fishing time in the Amazon basin of South America. The bare-throated tiger heron majestically move in the rivers in search for fish. This bird is found in South Mexico, Costa Rica, northwest Argentina, and southwest Brazil. The bare-throated tiger heron feeds on small fish, reptiles, amphibians, crustaceans, mollusks, and insects. This bird can weigh over 850 grams and can grow to a height of 64 centimeters tall, with a wingspan of about 80 to 85 centimeters. The bare-throated tiger heron have a lifespan of between 15 to 20 years.